First crack in the ceiling, dust on the conference screen, charge still glowing green blue, while the floor shifts under our feet. Coffee cups keep trembling,